Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fantastic today. And I really hope you're all doing fantastic, because somewhere out in this world there's a photographer right now that put in tons of work, tons of hours into something, personal projects, maybe a project for something else, someone else, a company or something. And that photographer put in a bunch of work. But somewhere along the process, something went wrong, memory card failed. Um, yeah, something went wrong through the process, and that's not his fault. He couldn't have prevented it, you know. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to talk about photographers that fail. Let's roll the intro. Okay, well, now that your intro is finished, I just want to say that it's not necessarily, as I said, the photographer that fails, but you know, he is considered maybe a failure after that project. So that's basically my point. And I want to talk about something that happened to me recently. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen that lately, or the past month or so, the past week or so, I've been back into it. But before that, I've been struggling a bit creatively. But getting back into it, this weekend, I was somewhere and I set up a time lapse to do a beautiful sunrise time lapse. I will put it on the screen just in a moment, so you will see. And the morning I rushed because my batteries weren't charged. Yes, I know that's my fault. Um, I, just before the sun rose, I, quickly went to the spot, and I set up the time lapse very quickly, made sure it's running, and then went back to where we are camping and get food and something to eat, because it was early morning. And okay, by the time the sun was up and everything, I went back to just go check on it, and I reviewed my last image and I saw that just watch for yourself. Please, if you like this video, please go down, press the like button. It costs you nothing, it's easy, just do it, please. It will help me a lot. Please, if you want to see more of my videos, go to subscribe down below. If you want to know how to do wildlife photography, especially with cheaper camera gear, make it look professional, please, I think I'm the right channel for you. So please go down there and subscribe. Go down to my Instagram, follow me. Yeah, that's basically it. So back into the video. Yeah, that's what happened. The lens fogged up. I was really so like disappointed, because I was, the whole weekend I, looked forward to this time lapse that I'm going to do, and now my lens fogged up. I know it's kind of my fault, because I could have prevented it, but I didn't know that would happen, and that's really, that's really discouraging sometimes. So basically, my point is, if you're a photographer and something like this happens to you, just know that it happens. It's normal. It's every photographer goes through a process that sometimes just fails. Something just goes wrong. Through everything in this world, something will be going wrong. So my point is, just don't stop, don't give up, don't get discouraged. It happens, and the most important thing is that if that happens, you just have to get back and just put in more work and go at it even harder, because that's what's going to make a difference between you and another photographer. So basically, my point is, don't give up. If something goes wrong, it's not your fault. Even if it was, just everyone makes mistakes, and just get back into it. And for those of you that might not be wildlife photographers or any photographer, just know that what you see on social media, you know, these wonderful images that photographers take, seemingly just going out for a minute or two into their luxurious farm they own with their own elephants and stuff. Just go out, you know, just, they don't have to get up early, nothing. Only go out 10 minutes, get this beautiful shot of an elephant or whatever drinking water with the sun rising and everything. Just, you know, 10 minutes and it's over. They go and their computer edits it for them. You know, we get AI software. They click a button and everything just poof, perfect. Go onto Instagram. You know, they don't even spend time. They just click a button, the image goes up on Instagram. They get thousands of likes. Wow, photographer's life is incredible. Okay, don't get me wrong, photographer's life is incredible, but not that incredible. We put in a lot of hours into this thing, and sometimes not even getting any results. As I said, that time lapse maybe maybe 3-4 hours of work, including the processing, because I processed it for this video. And I'm going to put it up on Instagram as well. So please go down. The link to my Instagram account is down below. So please go check out my Instagram. I would really appreciate that. And so, yeah. A photographer's life isn't that amazing. We put in a lot of work with a lot of, you know, failures along the way, and yeah, but we are strong and we keep on going, doing what we love. So, being finished with this video, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video and have fun shooting.